Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kevin with MJ General Contractor. We are currently working out of Gearhart, Oregon. We got this amazing view this entire week and for the weeks coming. We've also done the siding out here, which in this case, that's Da Vinci siding, window installs. We just did the installation. We got approval for inspection. So our next move is to install the drywall. In this case, we're installing 5/8 fire rated drywall. It's a pretty huge property, so for the coming weeks we'll be installing that drywall. If you have any roofing, siding, painting, drywall projects, call our office. Our office number is 971-419-0753. There it is. That's the roofing we installed here at this property. But hit us up with your drywall or any other projects you may have. Our office number is 971-419-0753, or find us online at mjgeneralcontractor.com.